Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news of more jobs pain. But first, in the US, at the virtual Jackson Hole Symposium this year, the Fed boss has signalled a significant shift in its approach to managing inflation as it tries to do more to aid the US economy's recovery. Essentially, it is a shift for lower rates for longer. They will now target an average of 2% inflation rather than making 2% a fixed goal, giving it more flexibility to focus on its jobs mandate. And they do have a real problem there. Last week they reported just over 1 million new unemployment claims were received, about as expected, but the net number of people on jobless benefits fell by 223,000. So that means more than 1.2 million people fell off qualification, either because they found employment or their qualification for support expired. It is a second reason that worries analysts and will undermine consumer demand. Meanwhile, American personal income fell for a second consecutive month, while personal spending rose. It is a trend that can't be sustained. And we also should note that the SEC is looking into a popular practice by large companies of using supply chain financing arrangements. Their key concern is that it keeps significant liabilities understated in their books. In China, industrial profits fell by more than 8% in July compared with the same month in 2019. But it was held back by a massive 24% drop by state-owned enterprises. Foreign companies did best, down by 3%. Despite all that, July is the best month of 2020. And China is reporting that electricity consumption levels in August are at record levels, more evidence of a good rebound in their wider economy. And the US Treasury 10-year yield is up 6 basis points higher today at 0.75%, continuing its volatility. And the price of gold has fallen back solidly overnight, down to $19 to $1,928 an ounce, and essentially reversing all of yesterday's gain. Oil prices are soft today at just on $43 a barrel in the US, while the international price is just on $45 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is firmer again this morning, up to 66.4 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're a little firmer too, at 91.5 Australian cents. And against the euro, we're up to 56.2 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index is up to 69.4 and back to where it was in early August. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.